Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you this age of revolution. Students, why this revolution occurred? Okay, this revolution occurred because the people of Europe, they wanted freedom. All right, and this revolution occurred between 1830 to 1848. That means in this chapter age of revolution we are going to cover those revolution who occurred between 1830 to 1848. Students, people wanted liberalism and nationalism. Who spread this idea? This idea spread by educated middle class. Who are there in the educated middle class? Teachers, lawyers, doctors, okay, small business class. These are there in the educated middle class, and the idea of liberalism and nationalism, they gradually spread in different parts of Europe, okay, in Italian state, in German state, in Ireland, in Poland. Students, in 1830, July Revolution took place. Okay, what happened in this July Revolution? Bourbon kings were overthrown. Okay, look here. In 1789, what happened? People of France, they overthrown the Bourbon kings. Okay, they executed the Louis XVI. All right, and after the defeat of Napoleon Bonaparte, the conservatives, okay, they just reinstated the Bourbon kings in Treaty of Vienna. My first point was that Bourbon kings were reinstated by Prussia, Russia, Austria, and Britain. Okay, and again in July Revolution, people of France, they overthrown Bourbon kings, and after that, what happened? Constitutional monarchy was set up. Who was the head of the constitutional monarchy? Louis Philippe. He was the head of the constitutional monarchy. And what the second thing took place? Second thing occurred, that is revolution started in Brussels. Okay, Brussels is the capital of Belgium. All right, I told you that in Treaty of Vienna, in the borders are in the boundary of France, small states created. Okay, and during that time, one small state was created, that was Belgium. Okay, and that was under the United Kingdom of Netherlands. This occurred in 1830, and after that, what happened? The Greek Revolution took place. Look here, Greece was under the Ottoman Empire, and during that time, Ottoman Empire was really very powerful. Greece, they started their revolution in 1821. Okay, but they didn't got independence. When they got the support of Western European countries as well as the poets and artists, okay, in 1832, Treaty of Constantinople was signed, and in that treaty, Greece got independence. Students, you please go through this topic again and again, and this topic is very important. Okay, and you will see the revolution has already started, and one by one the nation will become independence. Okay, and students, if you find any problem, you're free to call me at any time. And students, whatever notes are there, okay, please do it in your classwork copy, and whatever worksheets I am giving, do it in your classwork copy. And before 5 p.m., please you show it to me, and after 5 p.m. I am not going to give any kind of response. Thank you, students.